Exercise 2.2, question number 3. In this question, we have to multiply this and reduce it to its lowest form, and whatever improper fraction we will get, we have to convert them into mixed fraction. So let us start with the first. 7 into 3 by 5. 7 is a whole number, so directly we will multiply with numerator and denominator will remain same. So here 7 3s are 21 divided by 5. Now here we cannot reduce this to lowest fraction, so we will convert this into mixed fraction because this is improper fraction. So 21 divided by 5, so here 4, 20 and 1. So let us convert this and we will get here 5 will remain in denominator, 4 will come at the front and 1. So this is going to be our answer, that 4 1 by 5. Coming to the next one, that 4 1 by 3. So here 4 is a whole number, so it will directly multiply with the numerator and denominator will remain same. So 4 by 3 will be our answer. Again this is improper fraction, so let us convert this into mixed fraction, and the answer is, our denominator will remain same, 3 and 1. So 1 by 3 will be our answer here. Next is 2 6 by 7. 2 is a whole number, so we will multiply that with numerator and denominator will remain same. So here we will get 12 by 7. Now again we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So we will get 7 divided by 12. 7 ones are 7, we'll get here 5. So our answer here is 7 will remain in denominator, 1 will come at the front and 5, the quotient will come at the top. So 1 5 by 7 will be our answer. Fourth numerical is 5 2 by 9. 5 is a whole number, so we will multiply that with numerator and we will get 10 by 9. So here let us convert this into mixed fraction. 10 divided by 9, so 9 ones are 9, we will get here 1. So the answer will be 1 by 9. Now next, 2 by 3 into 4. Now 4 is a whole number, so we have to multiply this with numerator, divide by 3. So here we will get 8 by 3. Now let us convert this into mixed fraction. 3 divided by 8, so 3 2s are 6, we will get here 2. So the answer will be 2 by 3, and this is our mixed fraction. The next is 5 by 2 into 6. 6 is a whole number, so we will multiply this with numerator, divide by 2. So here we will get 30 divided by 2. Now both are even numbers, so we can reduce them into its lowest term. So we will get here 15, and the 15 will be alone as our answer because there will be no denominator. The next set of numerical, 11 into 4 by 7. So here 11 is a whole number, so we have to multiply that with numerator, divided by 7. So we will get here 44 divided by 7. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction and we will get 44 divided by 7. So 7 6 are 46, and here we will get 2 as an answer. So let us arrange this. 7 will remain in denominator, this will come at the front and 2. So our answer is 6 2 by 7. The next is 20 into 4 divided by 5. Now 5 and 20. So we can reduce this 2 into their lowest term like this. 5 4s are 20. So here we will get 4 into 4. So we will get here 16. 16 will be our answer. From here also directly we can cut and write here 4 because they are in the multiplication, so we can reduce them. Now the next is 13 into 1 by 3. So 13 into 1 divided by 3. So we will get here 13 divided by 3. Both are prime numbers, so we cannot reduce them. So we will change this into mixed fraction. So 3 divided by 13. So here we will get 4. 3 4s as 12 and 1. So our answer will be 3 will remain in denominator, 4 will come here and 1 will be here. So the answer is 4 1 by 3. Our last numerical is 15 into 3 by 5. So we can reduce this. 15 into 3 by 5 is there. Here 15 and 5. So we can reduce this here and we can write here 3. 5 3s as 15. So here 3 into 3. So the answer we'll get is 9.